集影片 ，Freddy 实在是太兴奋了，因为他想要买这个 Camper Kit Lite 很久了，他就说这支影片我要自己拍哦。我说好啊，昨天都没有自己拍啊。
Yeah, way too many, right?
就是很开心。这里有3台 Tesla， 大家都要装，大家都装好了。谢谢。嗨。这次安装了专门提供可以给 Tesla 车主在车上睡觉的床架和收纳抽屉，这也是为了我们的车路旅行准备的。那我们去年呢也开启了车路旅行，多亏了 Fruble 的车路设备啊，让我们可以在车上睡得舒服又有新的收纳空间。很开心。
We put it up right now so we can.
超多东西。哇，新的架子。然后再扣在这里。
This one, right? Yep.
它有这个木架，然后再用原本车子里有的东西就可以装起来了。
It's connected to the two screws.
Oh, I see.
But it was tilted a little bit. Now it's better. It's better.
你的梦幻商品来了，你应该有看了1-2年了吧？我的空间是不是变很大？好酷哦！
A lot higher.
哇，就是来跟一位也是 YouTuber， 然后他有做了这个 Tesla 跟 Rivian 专用的车架、抽屉啊，还有床架这些。现在要拍一个照哦，是今天交货的大家。是很像镭射上去。
对啊，那喷漆用的。
我们现在要一起去吃中餐，等一下要去爬山，然后露营。
好像也有见到那个明星的感觉。现在要去吃东西，我今天
已经讲了很多遍。
真的哦。你要买什么？你想，应该是 pasta， 我猜。
我们后来买了意大利面，刚刚在沃尔玛买了一些，就今天晚上我们要露营吃的，就是意大利面还有肉酱，是Jimmy请我们，超棒的。
我说我是粉丝啊，所以他今天叫我做什么都做什么，叫我开去露营就开去露营。脚才站着，现在就
真的假的？好漂亮哦！这条步道就是一开始蛮轻松，但后面就是大概5分钟后吧，就会有一些石头，就是比较坡度比较高，陡一点点，但是也还好，就它整个坡度好像才300而已吧，对啊，然后来回呢大概是2个钟头，对，然后3点多公里，还可以再继续往前走。然后我们刚刚到那个湖就很漂亮了，对，但这里面是完全没有讯号的。走完了，等一下我们要去营地，要去的营地是路有点颠簸的，是吧？而且这里都没讯号，这边是有一点颠簸。哇！ 哦，这样怎么开？看那个洞有多深？哎，好像也还行啊。路都是这样子的路。我已经在这段1小时快要20分钟，睡了4次了。这个好像这边的水流非常的湍急，这是一个非常远的地方哎。灰头土脸。
你看我们 Model Y
对
Party，
这是我们的晚餐，这是他们家另外一款的，然后这是电磁炉，还2边都可以耶，好酷哦！然后还有水槽，好酷哦！这个营地呢，它要开1小时20分钟左右才会到，垃圾都要自己带走的，然后是没有洗澡的地方。煮晚餐，我要蒸蛋，把电池，然后还有蒸蛋机都带出来了。刚刚他们把火升起来了，而且是在这边砍木材，就是就地取材。现在砍柴也太厉害了。
Sarah wants to make this car look like hers.
煮好了2大锅意大利。这是我们第一次这样睡，就是买了这个架子，然后还有新的床垫。哒哒，哎呦，哇，可以吗？刚刚好，我们的床看起来很舒服哎。
It looks pretty. Yeah, very sturdy. Yeah. 我真的觉得很想要进去睡。
进睡了？
对啊。
是这样啊？
会不会太高？
不会啊，我只有带毯子而已。现在10点半，我觉得我们应该很早就可以起来了，对吧？但我
6点半就要睡。
但我今天睡了，只要在车上我都在睡觉，睡太久。好了，晚安。早上快7点了，我想要继续睡。但这个床垫真的比较硬哎，这个比较硬一点。
睡硬的时候。Hello everyone, this is Freddie, and this is Jimmy.
Hi.
I don't usually talk in front of camera pretty often because it's Sarah's channel.
Yeah.
But today I do the honor because I'm a fan of Jimmy. So I really want to do all the talking today. So Sarah don't have any chance for for today's video. But right now we are on the Jimmy's customer service trip.
Oh.
Because we just got a camper kit from you.
This is an invitation for an adventure.
Yeah.
It's been so great having you guys and also John and Ryan for this trip.
It's so fun. So we're almost at the end of the trip right now.
Yeah.
So I want to start with that. I know you as a YouTuber and adventure from your YouTube channel. What kind of other keywords you will use to describe yourself? Like you want to share with?
I make videos. I would consider myself maybe a little bit of a filmmaker. I'm a hiker, a camper, a backpacker. I like to get my hands dirty, so I really like to build things.
Yeah. You build all this yourself, right?
For the prototypes, I did build them myself. Now these are cut from a CNC machine.
That's pretty cool. I think you probably get asked a lot, but to share to our audience that what inspired you to start this journey. Your channel is called Living in Tesla. You literally live in Tesla for a while.
Yeah, I've been traveling, living in and out of my Tesla for about 3 years. Since I was younger, I have been wanting to try van life, and I considered getting a Mercedes Sprinter and just kind of like road trip around North America. But then I couldn't justify the cost of fuel and the maintenance of just traditional camper or internal combustion engine vehicles. And then I also wanted to be emission free or close to emission free when I'm in nature. And that's why I decided to just start living in and out of my Tesla. Yeah, from there I kind of like came up with some creative solutions for my troubles.
All the creativity coming from like challenges, right? What do you consider like kind of the biggest challenges, like when you like start your Tesla life?
Mostly maybe space and making it more organized. When I started, I was traveling in a Model 3, and at the time I didn't really have much space, and it was very difficult to find a clean and flat surface. So at the time I made like a folding table that you can attach to the front. That way I can cook when I'm out in nature.
It's really nice cooktop.
And then later I upgraded to the Model Y. I have a lot more vertical room. And then I wanted something more convenient pull-out system, and then this thing was created.
Since we're talking about it, let's talk about Fruble. How did you start with the Fruble like company or system?
I didn't really expect to like start a company or a business in any way. In the beginning, it was just making things to make my life more convenient. It's just solving my own problems that I encounter as I travel. But then later, when I see people commenting on my videos,
right?
And some of them have said that they would like something similar for their own trips. And then I decided to, let's see how would this work. And I guess I started making the systems into a manufacturable
like
way.
You got the blueprint for like start to build it more. More, right? I think you don't have the background of like building like less or make it like big manufacturing for this. Like how do you pick out those skills?
Yeah, so I just learned mostly from YouTube. A lot of woodworking tutorials. Later I found a manufacturer here in Chilliwack, British Columbia, to produce these systems. And then they've been a really great partner to work with. And when there's an order that comes in, they would just do everything, machine, package, shipped out from here.
Wow. How does the name Fruble being created?
Yeah, so the first product is the frunk table, which is the table that attaches.
Frunk.
Yeah, I took the first three letters of frunk, F-R-U, and then last three letters of table, and then combined them together.
That's so cool.
Oh, and the name was inspired by people, my viewers on YouTube. And someone came up with a name, and I thought this is such a great name for it.
So you actually crowdsourcing this name, not?
Yeah, I didn't ask for it. People just started giving me.
To wrap this up, so last night is our first time step on our new version of Camper Kit Lite.
It's a lot lower than what I have.
Yeah, we will definitely showcase more because we're gonna have more video in our adventure, so we're gonna showcase them more.
So now you can go directly to fruble.co or teslacamping.com. The lead time is about 1 to 2 weeks to build it, and then everything is locally manufactured in BC. The goal of the product is to hopefully inspire you to get out there and be adventurous. And it also provides you more conveniences.
I think when I try to drag Sarah out to, because she's not very into camping before, but once we learned there's more solution for like sleeping more like in more comfortable bed or like that, we tend to go on more. So it definitely helped.
Yeah,
That really helps.
the Teslas are so great for car camping because you have like camp mode and you can keep your air conditioning heating on for the entire night.
Thank you so much, Jimmy. Thank you. I'm a fan today, so I just feel so happy to be able to join this trip and be able to interview you. So
Yeah,
like you say, stay adventure. So
absolutely, stay adventurous. And I'm so happy that both of you are available on this day. It's been great sharing conversations together.
昨天应该是我近期以来最早睡觉，11点前我就睡了，然后今天7点才起来，所以今天也睡蛮久的。好啦，我们要回家了。